This is my daughter's house we're still shooting at, and this is her fireplace in her living room. As you can see, it's such a beautiful fireplace, and she's got a gorgeous screen over her fireplace. I love how it looks. Isn't it beautiful? Now, you want to describe to them where all these pieces came from, Debbie, for Halloween?
Well, those two beautiful flower arrangements we just did in a recent post. Two glasses of wine, and they look pretty good there. That bucket that was that was a thrift store find sometime back, and I got my little buffalo check fabric pumpkins, and I purchased a set of 4 pillow covers. That's one of them, and each picture is different. I got it from Amazon. I can't remember how much it was, like maybe $13, $14, but there's 4 different ones.
Is that for the whole set?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, so it was pretty good. I like the colors, very vibrant, and so there was a total of 4, and that's exactly what I need for my couch and my love seat. And then I have some lanterns there that I've always had, that I always keep it there. I see one candle kind of fell over, but oh well. And the black ones, I'm going to be putting something inside of them. I just haven't gotten around to it yet. But those are, I'm big into my lanterns, so they're there all the time. And then I have my little side trees, I guess you call them, whatever.
They look like little topo. I can't pronounce.
Yeah, the topiaries. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I
but
can't.
Both of them are not exactly the same.
Oh, really? I thought they were. See how much?
2 different ones. But
Okay.
That's okay. Then not everything has to be
Matchy.
So, and then going up to the fireplace.
And on the other side of her fireplace, she has the same thing. And this
you
is.
see the topiary is a little bit different.
See, I'm looking right at it, and I still think they look the same. See how much I know.
Yeah, so I think it looks really, all the colors look really nice right there. So I'm liking that a lot.
Yep, I think everything looks great. Now we're going to go up to the mantle.
And that piece of fabric is part of my 5 for 5 deal that you can get on Amazon. They have the mantelpiece, and then there's different, I think there's a table runner, there's some lamp covers, so you can make your lamp look a little spooky. So I just got them in the mail, so I haven't really put them up. That's the only thing I've put up so far.
You got all 5 for $5?
No. It was 5 pieces in a set with those bats. And then I can't remember what the cost was, but I think it was, I don't know, maybe $12. It wasn't that expensive at all.
Sounds really good.
Yeah.
I liked it when you said it went over the lamps, too.
Yeah, it goes over the lamp, so it makes it kind of look spooky. So I'm excited to try that out. And then the orange pumpkin and the green pumpkin is from Dollar Tree. They have I don't know if you want to get a little bit closer. They have like a little picture on them. It's really hard to see, but
you can see when you get close with no trouble.
So all 3, the ones that I got from the Dollar Tree, I got a green, a white, and an orange.
Where's our white one?
Oh, we showed it in a previous video.
Oh, it doesn't matter.
And then the 3 little things in the middle, those are for little tea lights. Somebody gave those to me a long time ago.
Yes, they're super cute, and Grandma didn't know what she was looking at. They're all little scarecrows, I think.
And then we have my little pumpkin. It's also a tea light. Little scarecrow pumpkin. It's a tea light item. And then I have my little witch lantern, and I have some, what do you call those, LEDs or some kind of light in there. The last time we showed them, I tried to put a candle on it. It didn't really look good, but I think it looks good with the LED behind it.
I think it looks really good. That's probably how I should do mine too, because it really looks good in there.
Yeah, it kind of looks like a fire behind it, huh?
I don't know, but I think it looks great. I think, like you said, the other one didn't have enough color.
Yeah, it just wasn't bright enough to see what was going on.
And look at these aren't matching either, are they?
No, they are.
Oh, they are. These are matching.
These are matching.
Okay.
And I haven't finished them. I'm still have my pieces of I don't know what they call it, whoop-de-doo in there from 4th of July. I never took it out yet, so.
I think it looks good leaving it in.
So I haven't decorated this too much. I just got some of the stuff. And then on the other side, we have our little birdhouse.
Now this one doesn't light up as well as the other one does for some reason.
I think it's the battery's dying because
Oh,
it was
okay.
blinking a few minutes ago.
Oh, okay.
So, but I do like the,
No, but those kind of lights look much better in it.
yeah. It might be the way I have it too. I'm not sure. And then I put the little feet behind there, as if you remember in Wizard of Oz, the house lands on the witch. So I put it as if something fell on her. And
Half of her's outside the house and half of her's inside.
So we'll see. I'm still trying to figure out how.
Maybe
to,
she's stuck in the chimney.
Maybe.
Yeah. Because you can see the chimneys right there where her head would normally be in her body. See, Grandma's
Possibly.
thinking all the time.
Possibly. So that's it for the mantle right now. But as soon as we get it all fixed up, because I just kind of threw the stuff there, but we'll take another.
We'll do some more updates. You know, Aunt Debbie loves to decorate, and she has tons of stuff she hasn't even unpacked yet.
Right. Got a lot of stuff.
A lot of stuff, guys. A lot of stuff no one's ever seen.
What are you trying to say?
I'm saying you're another baby hoarder that's organized. That's what I'm saying. You say that I'm a hoarder. You're just as bad. It's just you got more space to hoard in. That's all.
Okay.
Thank you guys so much for stopping by for this post that we did on my daughter's fireplace. Hugs and kisses to all of you. No kisses to you?
Oh yeah, hugs and kisses. But I was just saying, go focus back on your project. You did such a great job
Don't they look nice? We did these today.
today.
Well, recently. Didn't they look nice? I love them. I love it. I love it. I love it. Grandma maybe turn into a crafter. You never know. But, you know, I got everything here, the flowers, the wheel, and everything from Dollar Tree or Walmart. And then my daughter got the ribbon from something online.
Yeah.
So a lot of this was not overly expensive. And the great thing about this project, I probably should have bought more wheels because maybe I might get 4 wheels and then I can decorate for every season, every 3 months.
There you go. Good plan.
You know how cheap I am.
Yeah, but you can do the next one by yourself because that was too much.
Oh, no. We're going to be doing crafting together. But as you see, we had to stop. Well, you haven't seen the video. We couldn't do it all in one video because it took us a good hour to do this project. A good hour. We're not speedy crafters. Well, we'll see you guys later. Hugs and kisses until the next video.